We received a call regarding a black kite which is stuck with manja on tree since yesterday night. This is where the black kite is stuck with manja. Hope you guys can see the bird. It is here. Luckily it's resting on the branch. We traveled all over to Hyderabad rescue this bird. It's been more than 2 hours we were traveling, so we just reached. We are just setting up our rescue equipment. These are the guys. They reached us. Thank you. Hello, Hyderabad. Adi Lingampalli. Lingampalli నుంచి వచ్చాను.
తమిళనాడు మేడం ఫస్ట్ కాంటాక్ట్ అయినా.
ఓకే.
తర్వాత మళ్ళీ వేరే హైదరాబాద్కు మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక హైదరాబాద్ నంబర్ నుంచి కాల్ చేశారు. హైదరాబాద్ నంబర్.
ఓకే, వాళ్ళు మీకు పంపించారు నంబర్స్. ఓకే ఓకే. So guys, you hope you have an idea why it is stuck here and for what reason. It's all because of manja and the season is now approaching. So the manja is already banned by government, NGT. So please try to avoid manja. The coming season is a Sankranti festival, and it's Sankranti is all of enjoyment, you know, with the family and all the kids. But this is just like a nightmare to the birds and all the animals. So please try to avoid manja and try to save lives as much as possible. This luckily they saw the bird and they contacted us, but unknowingly we don't know how many birds are dying just because of this single nylon manja, Chinese manja. Okay, so we'll just start our rescue operation and hopefully we'll be rescuing it safely and we'll get it down.